Okay, Emma, get in your stance. All right. Set it. Good job. Pull back a lot so that it'll go far.
Now?
Yep. Oh, try again.
Okay.
Thank you, Jack.
Actually, on the receipt, it has the phone number too, and it's not the phone number that I gave you, so you can check phone number. Okay.
Put the arrow back. Good job, Bubba. Okay, come over here so Emma doesn't hit you.
204 4150.
I'm in my stance.
All right, Jackson, come back.
No!
Good job. Okay, pull back hard.
No.
Pull back a little more. All right, go for it. Got to get a little bit higher.
Oh, that high? This high?
No, I mean, you've got to aim higher. Okay, Jack. Emma needs one more arrow.
I'm ready.
Okay, pull back real hard. Okay, make sure you're aiming a little higher.
That high?
Yep. Yep. It's okay, you're doing good. What do you want to say to Yaya?
I'm 5 and I love you.
And what else?
I do good.
And thank you.
Right.
Say thank you, thank you.
Thank you. I'm 5 and I love you.
She's so excited about her new stuff, Yaya. Love you.
I love you, Yaya. You're the best.